So over here you can see that I have a bunch of pictures right here, and I have marked some of them right here, and I have added in ratings in some of them as well. So some of them are actually not flagged right here, some of them has been picked, and so forth. If you want to actually go ahead and filter out these particular photos right here, according to how I have actually marked them, then you can go around over here on the top, and here you can see that filters is turned off right now. But if I were to go over here, you can see that I can actually go around and then choose by flagged, and once you do that, you can see that filter has been turned on and only the flagged pictures will come up. So those are the selected ones. If I were to go around and say filter based on flags that are not there, then it filters it out accordingly. And you can also filter based on flag status. So you can go ahead and enable this and disable this out right here. Enable the picked ones, or like just like this, you can click to enable and disable those out right there. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and then choose the rating of the image right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, if I just want 5-star rating pictures, then I can choose right here, but I can go ahead and decrease out the star count, or choose 1 star and 3 star to filter out these, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can also filter it out by color. Let's say I'm not going to have any of the ratings right here, but I'm going to filter it out by blue color, then it filters out by that accordingly. You can also select multiple colors, as you can see, and choose by flagged and unflagged right here. So you can see that this is what you have. There's green and blue, which is not flagged right here. So you can see that I can go ahead and enable and disable this to actually go ahead and then filter it out. And that is how you can filter out images as per ratings that you have inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.